Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for render, FET and injective price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with render on the 4 hours chart here to see what do we have, what we might expect next. So basically we have, after this triangle for wave B over there, we are looking here at 3 waves down, W, potential wave X, of course finished in this wick toward the upside, and we are looking for a final wave toward the downside here, potentially finished in a wave Y, yeah, and then we are looking for a bull run here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is still valid until now, or we are still in a potential wave B there, finished within this triangle. We're looking for a wave C here, potentially finishing as an ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, the highest possibility for me is still, of course, a potential wave C. If we take a look a little bit in a bigger overview here on the daily, you might realize that this might be, of course, a diagonal unfolding there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that means, of course, can be something like an A, B, and a C. The wave C might be, of course, kind of like a truncation here just to reach the time required still for this bear market, creating a balanced W, X, and a Y over there, or an A, B, and a C as well. To be, of course, having the same almost wave C is the same as for the wave A, or the same wave Y and the W. So basically, I would say very high possibility, despite that on the lower time frame, we might still be in a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 without invalidation. As you can see, the invalidation is not taken yet. And we see again a kind of an impulsive wave here after a potential finished 3 waves down, 3 waves up, wave B, and of course expanding flat wave C. Now this wave C is very, very deep, I would say, and it is finished 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, very likely to be done and finished here, and we're looking for something for higher. If we dive a little bit inside this structure here, the impulse 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, you might see that this might be even a potential A, B, and a C, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, what I doubted here is also a potential A, and then B, and then of course having wave C downward, but I doubt it a little bit. I think that, I mean, if you are in an impulse here, we still need one more 4 and a 5. And that means, of course, in the case that this is the wave 4, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, it might take our invalidation then in this case. Yeah, $1.59 here might be the invalidation in case we still bearish. Yeah, so there is a probability here. The wave C is not finished, or it is a potential wave Y finished over there, and we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 then. So we still have to be careful. Of course, I know that this looks like kind of like impulsive wave, but internally I don't think that this is a perfect impulse. As you can see, everything is overlapping inside this move since the beginning. Maybe the only part that it doesn't overlap is exactly here, where you might have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and that means, okay, if this is your 1, 2, 3 here, 4, and a 5, then the wave 5 is 1, 2, 1, 2. Then everything is overlapping inside. Well, can be, of course, a wave 3 there. So yeah, I cannot say that it's not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, so it can be, guys, despite that it looks like very overlapping. But yeah, we'll see if this is going to continue upward. I still see something as a rebound here also potentially. So confirmation for higher, I would say definitely taking this highs. This would be, of course, we are pushing for higher new highs. Confirmation for higher prices over there. But if we continue to dive deeper and we take this low, then expect, of course, the invalidation to be taken. So confirmation for lower, and that means confirmation, I would say, for bear market. Yeah, so again, meaning new all-time low, bear market. So that means the invalidation of the impulse. We shift the trend downward. That was it for render. Let's see FET as well on the 4-hour chart. For FET, we have a 1, 2, 3, potential wave 4, and wave 5 expanding diagonal, the only way to finish a 5 wave. This is the only way to finish it here. This or maybe double 1, 2, which is very, very, very far possibility. Okay, double 1-2 again. That is of course until 0. So the only way to push downward here is the expanding diagonal, wave 5, in case we're still looking for wave 5. However, I still see a signal of strength for FET over there. Where is the drop? Why it didn't drop as the same as Bitcoin? Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 2, signal of strength taken from our testing area, exactly from our testing area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So very nice price for FET and very surprising, honestly, without invalidation so far for this impulse. We're still, of course, looking for this invalidation in case, of course, invalidation of bullish. And we're still looking for higher. 0.21 to be watched as, of course, potential reversal for the market here. So we'll see what's gonna happen, of course, as a 1-2 here. Sorry, even it can be in this case wave 3, 4, and a 5 here. Yeah, so I forgot that we have a 1-2 over there. 1 A, B, and a C, wave 2. This is a wave 3, not a wave 2, by the way. This is a 0.38 for a wave 4 then, and we might, of course, see something even of course longer in time, guys. So I'm expecting some longer time here, since the wave 2 of course is very long, very likely even to be in a triangle here for FET before we push for a wave 5. Yep, so this is regarding FET, guys. Very nice price for Injective. On Injective, we are looking as well for this potential impulse in double 1-2. We have wave 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 took the low already, and another wave 4 and a wave 5 is unfolding downward here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal, very likely to be unfolding for Injective. Injective is showing still, of course, weakness since even the push toward the upside with Bitcoin, where it was pushing higher and higher. Injective did not show this potential signal at all. I mean, most of the coins took this high except Injective. That means, of course, Injective is insisting and very clearly, of course, for a new low here in an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to hit our target still, of course, $2.5 at least here for Injective, or at least to take the low as a trigger of a bull market. Yep, so that was it for Render, FET, and Injective. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.